In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new PNL calendar on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a great Twitter tracker, an amazing PNL tracker, and a reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals. They have a turbo mode which allows for faster fills. You can set your own presets with different slippage, priority, and bribe fees, and you can also use all their amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Now, to actually use the new PNL calendar, first you want to go to up here where it says portfolio, and then when it says realized PNL, you want to click on this icon to view the PNL calendar. Now in here, you can see what your PNL was on a specific given day, and I'm going to just go back over here, and you can see whenever you had any active trading days, you can see there's like these random numbers over here, so it's going to be either green, it's going to be yellow, or red, okay? So for me, over here, you can see I have 2 right now, and there's some more over here in April. And whenever you hover over it, you will see how many buys and sells you did, and then your best and the worst ones as well. Of course, it's going to tell you when this was happening, and you can click on it, and then you will see kind of this Axiom downloadable chart over here. I mean, basically a card which you can just download and share with your friends. And yeah, this will allow you to, of course, customize it too. So if you want to do that, you are free to do this as well. And then by clicking this button up here, you can switch between USD and Solana. And then over here, you can also share your monthly PNL in case you want to, and it's gonna look like this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.